This is Trayanne with the Florida RV Trade Association, and I am at the Florida State Fairgrounds in Tampa, where we have been setting up for the 2021 Florida RV Supershow. Now, this is going to be a huge show. We have spent 3 weeks bringing in RVs of all different types. I'm going to walk around the fairgrounds and give you an idea of what you're going to see. Okay, I am at Gate 1, and when you come in through Gate 1, you're going to be at the expo hall here. So this is a great opportunity to get right in the door, check out some of the accessories. We are still setting up, but I'm going to walk through and see what we can see. Now, keep in mind when you're at the show that masks are required in all of the buildings and RVs. When you're outdoors, they aren't needed, but we just ask that you social distance. But in the buildings and RVs, you do need to wear a mask. Okay, I am inside the expo hall, and you can see we are still trying to get the carpets rolled out and get ready for opening day on Wednesday. This will be where you want to go if you want to do a walkthrough of a Prevost, for example, or some of the Ford Travels. Wow, look at that beauty. This is a very, very popular area of the show. So if your goal is to take a peek inside of these RVs, make sure you come here early in the day, because there can be lines to look through the RVs, and especially this year where everyone, they're only allowing, I believe, one family in an RV at a time, and you do have to wear a mask. When you walk out of the expo hall, which will be right past the Prevost and the Ford Travel, you'll be at the Winnebago display, which again, we are still setting up, but they have a ton of trailers back there, which look like they're going to be fun to check out. And here on the corner, we have the Lance Travel trailers. Also looking very interesting, and I see some Lance truck campers down there, and on the side here we have some show haulers, which I've never been in one. It looks very cool, so I will be checking that out for you on Wednesday. So if you come out the entertainment hall, you're going to see the Forest River fifth wheels right outside the door there, and spinning around here further down, we have some Class Bs and the Palomino truck campers. Then I see some Trailman or pop-ups there. We do have a facility here, an outdoor facility where you can eat and rest. And there are the park model display there, which is also very, very popular. It's a great place to go through, check out the floor plans. And finishing our circle here, you can see some more of the truck campers over there, some Class B vans, and then way down there, which you can't see because it's just too far away, we have all of the larger units, the Class A's, the big fifth wheels, but there are absolutely some Class B's mixed in through there. You really want to cover the entire grounds to see everything that there is to see. And scattered throughout, there are vendor carts for food and drinks, so you don't ever have to go hungry. Down in the southeast corner of the fairgrounds is where our seminar building is found. It's right back there, but just so you have kind of an idea, this is the corner of the fairgrounds here, and it is just past the Freightliner display. Okay, I am right outside of Gate 3, and I just wanted everyone to take a peek at if you need to rent a mobility cart or a wheelchair, they'll be right in the tent right outside of the gate. After you come through Gate 3, you are going to see the Special Events Center on the right and the Grand Design display on your left. They have some really cool looking toy haulers set up here. I love it when they have the porches on the back. Okay, when you walk out of the Special Events Center, you are on the southern thoroughway of the fairgrounds. I'm going to flip this around so you can see what I'm looking at. Okay, right outside the door, we kind of have a crossway here. If you head straight down past all of these big Class A's here, which looks super beautiful, this kind of curves back around the lake and takes you back to the expo hall and the entertainment hall. We have some Phoenix cruisers sitting here. We were just over there at the seminar building. You can see it just down on the right there. That's kind of the southeast corner. And here, just past the Special Events Center, we have a platinum display. And way down there, I see some big fifth wheels. After you come in gate 3 and you pass Grand Design and the platinum display, there's this big thoroughfare that heads up to Midway, back over to the expo hall, and there's a loop where there's a lot of large Class A's. Behind me we have some real nice Class B's and Thor's back that direction. I am standing at the start of the Coachmen display, and as you can see, they have some of everything here. I see some Class C's, some big Class A's. There's a toy hauler back there, an ultralight towable. This little guy has been out and about. He's been visiting me at multiple places filming today. Hello. So this is just farther down. Gate 3 is way down at that other end. You can see the Thor display there, the American coaches. Behind me here we have the Gulfstream vintage cruisers. And right behind there is kind of a crossroads, which we call the Midway. There is a loop of units that goes down South Midway to North Midway. And we'll take a cruise around there so you can see what that looks like. I'm at the far curve of the Midway where South Midway goes to North Midway, and there are some beautiful Integras here. The paint job on the outside is so cool, it makes you just want to see what's inside. We're going to get in there on Wednesday, and I'll take some videos so you can check it out, but I would definitely come here and see for yourself because it's going to be cool. Nexus RV. This is a new manufacturer displaying at the Super Show this year. These look really interesting, so I can't wait to check them out on Wednesday. I'm at the southwest corner of the fairgrounds right now. This is the main thoroughfare that goes from one end of the fairgrounds to the other. There is a supplier building at one end, a big one, so you don't want to miss it. And the seminar building is at the other end. Now, we will be posting our seminar schedule on our app. If you haven't already downloaded the app, please do so. You just go to your Play Store, your App Store, and search for FRVTA. That will have a map on there where you can look for a particular model or vendor. It will have your seminar schedule. If you allow the pop-up notifications, you'll get a warning when each of the shows are about to begin. It also has a Find Your Car, which is a really helpful thing to have if you've ever parked at the RV Supershow. So download the app. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our YouTube page, FRVTA. We will be having another video on the Super Show, as well as sneak peek videos and opening day videos for all of our regional shows. So if you're into RVing and you're in Florida, it's definitely the place to be. Thanks again, and we will see you at the show.